Is your Bluetooth button playing hide and seek in Windows 11? Don't worry, we'll bring it back in under 90 seconds. First, let's dive into Device Manager. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth section. If you see a yellow exclamation mark next to any device, that's a driver issue. Right-click that device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will look for the best available driver online. If it says the best drivers are already installed, we'll try a manual update later. Next, run the built-in troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, and find Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters, find Bluetooth and click Run. Let the troubleshooter work its magic. It often fixes simple problems. If that didn't work, let's try a registry tweak. Press Windows key plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to HKY_local_machine. Then System, current Control and finally Bluetooth. Look for a key named Enablesco. If the Enablesco key doesn't exist, skip this step. If you found Enablesco, double-click it and change its value from 1 to 0. Click OK and close the registry editor. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After the restart, your Bluetooth button should be back in settings, ready to connect your devices. If you have any issues, double-check all of the steps and make sure that you are using the latest version of Windows 11. Like and subscribe for more quick fixes.